Hello everyone. Today I want to find the solution of x here. What is the x from this equation? To solve this equation, the best way is multiply the both terms, both sides to x. So I can write it. X times x is x squared plus, and here 1 over x times x, and the other side 2 times x. You know, here you can cancel this x, and x squared plus just remains 1. And the right side is 2x. I can take this 2x to the left side to isolate everything there. And so it would be x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. I can find the roots here because it's a quadratic equation. I can find it from the quadratic solution there. But the simplest way is that guessing two numbers that multiply each other, the answer is 1 multiply each other, and when you sum that two numbers, you can find this number minus 2. It's very simple. Minus 1 and minus 1. When you multiply minus 1 and minus 1, the answer is 1. And when you sum minus 1 and minus 1, you can find minus 2. So the solution is, I can write it here, 2 terms equals to 0. 2 terms times each other, x and x here. And 2 roots we guess simply is minus 1 and minus 1. And you can see the both terms are same. So it doesn't different which one is equals to 0. X minus 1 equals 0, and then x equals to 1. Very simple to find. You can try it by quadratic equation there. You can check it. Check. Here, x plus 1 over x equals to 2. It's very simple. You can guess. The answer is 1. 1 plus 1 over 1 equals to 2. And 1 plus, because 1 over 1 is 1, so 2 equals to 2. And yes, that is the answer. Thank you for your watching.